Hello, welcome to the Upzone World again and to the practical session of GPS system as we described the things on our previous tutorial theoretically what is the GPS system and how we interact with that on our mobile devices. And so here we show you the practical how we trace out the location where we are where the latitude and longitude locate by the mobile device. So here we have a main activity and first we have to make a class of the location manager here. So we make object for that class. It's a location manager and the object of that manager is location manager. Okay, so what to do for that? Let's say location manager is equals to your, as we describe it, location manager get system service. And what the system service is? System service context dot location service, just single line everything, and this line describe the things for the location where we are, where the get system service provider to allocate us and we can access the things. So everything should be on a location services here. Now we first implement methods for the listener. So that is the location listener. Location, yeah, that's good. So the red line, that means we have to create the methods for that, implement methods. We have to implement all the methods. Now, it's awesome. Now we have to see our other line, that is your location manager dot request location updates. That means time to time we have to need to update, means in every minute or in, after 2 minutes or 3 minutes we have to update the things where we are. So location request location updates. For this we need location manager dot GPS provider. For the first parameter, as you see the parameters, long mean time, if we give the okay, we give the time 3 minutes, and then we have to the minimum distance which that is a 10, here 1, you can do it anything, you will put the 1 here, and the listener is this, we have to apply it on this. Okay, but here the red line B, that means it shares maybe quote explicitly check to the permission is available or not. We do one thing, we make a try and check the security exceptions with that, and here we have a catch security exception. So, and to cross check this we need some traces. So here we do one thing, we make a trace as a log.d. Here we say locations, and we can see the location dot get longitude plus and say plus location dot get latitude. So here we have a longitude and latitude is the current location where we are. So but before that we need to apply, as we told you, it's most important user permission, that is Android name. Here you see the access file location, that's fantastic. And access file location, if there is access file location, that means we need internet, and for the internet we need uh, permission, internet permission, that's fine. So here's the main activity in which we have to describe the things. So first to do, just play the Jani motion and see where we are exactly. So I think till the drop on we described you again. We need a main activity. In main activity, we have to apply this location manager class and implement the location listener. Location manager class, we have a signal line that gets system services. For that, we need the services for the location service. That means we are a receiver and we can get the broadcasting, and then by the satellite. And location manager is request location updates means every 3 times, 3 minutes or 3 seconds, or it depends on us. We need to the location updates for that, and if there be the issue with that, we apply the security exception to our GPS provider, and this is your for methods inside the listener. That's the location change on status change on provider enable and provider disable. That means enable the GPS on, disable GPS off. We have a status change, and we have a on location change. That means we have a location dot get longitude and get latitude where we exactly at this time. And for this, we need in Android manifest file we have to permission set the permission, user permission, internet and user access find location, these two. Okay, let's check again the Zen emotion. I think we have to wait for a minute till it start the player. It's starting the virtual device. So GPS systems, we can create a lot of things, lot of apps related to this kind of location. Now, just run with this, build this Gradle. Again, wait for a minute. Socket execute. Gradle is run. Yes, now we can test it on our player. Okay. First we see the location here, the GPS system. Make it on. See here. The latitude be 65.9667 and the longitude be the negative 1853. And so here if we see what is this location. Okay, we trace this. Yeah, if you see this location here, it is same negative 18 and 65.967. Or also we, if you want to map yourself, you can see exact where you are by the map. So this is the long latitude and longitude where you are. I think at this time it's not working, but you will see yourself on your mapping services. So it's important here we have to set the latitude and longitude using GPS function. So the practical is very easy for the GPS. On the next level, we have to show you how to uh, see the path, track path on the GPS system. So thank you so much for our practical session.